Creating such amazing photocopy scanline effect can make your images look cool and you can use them in any of your creative projects. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will learn how you can create this photocopy scanline effect in Photoshop. So, without any further ado, let's get into the video. Here we have our image. Press Ctrl or Command J to make a copy of it. Right click and convert it into Smart Object. Again right click and duplicate the layer. Hide layer 1 copy as of now. With layer 1 selected, go to Filter, Blur and Motion Blur. With angle as 0 and distance to 500, hit OK. Click on this vector mask icon over here. Now select the brush tool from the toolbar and create a line in the center of the image. Enable the top layer. Again go to Filter, Blur, Motion Blur. This time change the distance to 750 and hit OK. Now similar to the previous one, click on the vector mask icon and with brush tool paint on the center of the image. Click on the adjustment layer icon and choose Hue and Saturation. Move the saturation slider all the way to left to make it black and white and adjust the lightness as per your image. Select all the 3 layers and press Ctrl or Command plus Shift plus E to merge the layers. Rename it to Photocopy layer. Now right click and convert it into Smart Object. Go to Filter and choose Filter Gallery. Click on Fit in View to see the changes. Firstly, select the halftone pattern. Change its size, contrast and pattern type to line. Now click on this plus icon over here. This time choose Graphic Pen. Change the stroke length, light and dark balance and with stroke direction to horizontal. Again click on plus icon. This time from the texture panel choose grain. Adjust its contrast and intensity as per your image and hit OK. And here we have our final result. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell for more such content. Thanks for watching.